Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I'm going to show you a beginner's makeup kit, by which I mean that a kit which includes all the makeup products, but they are budget friendly, they are easily affordable, and they are of good quality. So there is no compromise in the quality of the products. So the products which I'm going to show you are under 500. By the title you must have known by now that all the products are under 500, but there is no compromise in the quality of the products, because the products which I'm going to show you today that I use personally, I have used it on my skin, and I really like those products. They are very good and very affordable, and that is why I have included the products in my video, because I feel that there are people who want to try makeup, but also they do not want to invest in some high-end brands. They first initially want to try some affordable products which are there in the market. So the video is for them. It's for the people who want to try good quality makeup products but in a budget. So if you want to know what are all those products, so please watch the video till the end. So now, without wasting any time, please let's get started. So the very first product which I'm going to show you all is a moisturizing cream, because it's a very first step of any makeup. So the cream which I'm going to show you is the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. So I have recently started using this cream. It is very good. It claims that it's for all skin type. It is written that it's for all skin type. It is a very nourishing cream. Also, it claims that it is non-greasy, it is non-irritating, it won't clog your pores, and it is hypoallergenic. So, and also that it is dermatologically tested. So this cream, I have recently started using it, and it is, believe me, a very nice cream. It provides moisture to your face and it hydrates your face very nicely. And so this is a 80 gram of product. You can see it's like quite big. Like this will go, if you daily use it, this will go around 2-3 months. So this is a very nice cream, and it costs rupees 389. So this is the first recommendation from my side. If you're going for a moisturizer, please try this. And also, if you have a dry skin, please go for this one. Now the second thing which I'm going to show you, the steps which we use in makeup. After moisturizer, we generally prime our face. So I'm not going to show you a primer. Instead, I'll show you this aloe vera gel. It's a BoroPlus aloe vera gel, you can see that. And aloe vera gel can anytime be used as a primer for your skin, and it's very nice. You can use it on your face, on your body, on your hair, anything. Like, it's a all purpose, and also you can use it as a primer. So, and this is only for ₹50. So this is a very nice product. So I would recommend that you go for this. If you are looking for a primer, please try this aloe vera gel, or there are many aloe vera gels which are available in the market at very affordable price. So this is my second recommendation. Now the third product which I'm going to show you is a foundation or a BB cream that you can use it. So this is my first recommendation. This is the Lotus Express Glow Daily Cream. Sorry, the 10-in-1 Daily Cream, you can see. And also it's for all skin type. It's written here, it's for all skin type. So this is a very nice cream, and also it has SPF 25 in it. So it is very good. Like, I have used this BB cream on my face today, and believe me, it's a very nice, and especially for people who have dry skin, it's a boon for them. I also have a review of this cream on my channel. I will mention the description. I will mention the link below in the description box. So please go and check the review of this cream. This is a very nice affordable cream. This is a 10-in-1 daily. You can use it in a daily purpose, and also it costs rupees 345. So all the links and the prices I will mention below in the description box. Please check for the prices if you have any doubts. And also it's very nice cream. You can, obviously, if you don't want to invest so much in a foundation, and so you can definitely go for this. Now my second recommendation for a foundation is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So this is a very small, this is a matte plus poreless Fit Me foundation which we used to get in that glass bottle. Now it has also comes in this tube, so people if you do not want to invest that 500 or 600 rupees in that bottle, that big bottle, then you can definitely go for this tube. So this is for rupees 299 and it's of 18 ml. So the price is written here. So this is a very nice, it mattifies. If you have an oily skin, then it's very good for you because it mattifies your skin. It's already written that it's a matte plus poreless foundation, so it's to normal to oily skin. So dry skin people may find it a little bit dry, but if you are using this, since I have a dry skin but I still use it, but you need to moisturize the skin very well before using this product. But I'll also recommend this. So this and this. So now my fourth recommendation is concealer. Like we generally use a concealer to hide our spots, pigmentation marks, or hide our dark circles, anything that covers all the blemishes in your face, we use a concealer. So I will recommend this Fit Me concealer from Maybelline, which is of rupees 495. This is a very nice, beautiful concealer which covers your skin, but yeah, this is a little bit matte on your skin. So if you have a dry skin, make sure that you use a good foundation or maybe a kind of dewy foundation which is good for your skin type, and then you can use this concealer. This is a very nice, it hides all your blemishes. Believe me, it hides all your blemishes you have. Just you have to put a little bit, but it's a good concealer under budget. Now the fifth product which I'm going to show you is for the eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I was very confused which one to recommend, but since you have seen in all my videos that I use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. So this is a very nice kit. It's only for rupees 399, but you can always get discount on this from Flipkart or maybe Myntra or maybe Amazon. So this is a very nice brow kit, I feel, because it has a setting wax, which is this white color wax. You know that, like I've shown you people many times in my videos. Then you have this one mini applicator, like I'll show you. You have this mini applicator and it comes with a spoolie, and also you have this plucker. So this is a very nice kit. So if you are looking for any eyebrow kit but in a budget, so please go for this. It's highly recommended. Now the next product which I'm going to show you is of course eyeshadows. Any look is not complete without a eyeshadow. Well, I feel that you have to put a little bit of color in your eyes. So the eyeshadow palette under 500, which I love the most, I guess, it's the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette Rose in the Air. So it's my one of the favorite palettes. You have seen me, like in my haul I have shown this eyeshadow palette. It is very pigmented, guys, and also I have created my eye look in this video with this eyeshadow palette. So it has got 10 colors in it, and this is a very nice palette. The pigmentation is superb. It's very nice. It's a very budget friendly palette. If you're looking for an eyeshadow palette with neutral colors, it also has golden colors, some orange, some pink, some transition shades. So if you're looking for something like this, definitely please go for this. Go for this palette. This is a very nice palette. It is of rupees 499, but you can always get discount on this palette in Myntra or in Flipkart. I don't think Nykaa is giving discount now in this palette, but yeah, you can check on that. But this is a very, very nice and beautiful palette. So now comes the eyeliner. So for eyeliners, I have many liners. You can get many liners in the market which are under 500, even which are under 300, I guess, or under 250. But yeah, I like this one, this Maybelline Bold Colossal Eyeliner. So this is good. Right now I'm wearing it also. So this is a good liner. This is not waterproof. Obviously, if you sweat too much or if you just smudge it like this, smudge your eyes, so it will get smudged because it's not waterproof. But yeah, if you're looking a liner in your budget under 500, so you can pick this up. Also, if you have got any other, because I have this under 500, so I'm showing you this. But if you have something else to pick under 500 which is a waterproof or maybe which works better for you, you can surely go for that. Also, there are some more colored liners from Lakme. Like you can see these colored liners, it's a blue and this is green. So these are very pocket friendly. These are for only 110 or 120 rupees, I guess. So you can pick and try the colors and the pigmentation. The color payoff is very nice. And also, again, if you're trying something else, if you're trying any other brand, I have these, so I'm recommending this. But if you have something else, you can obviously definitely go for that. So my next thing which I'm going to show you is the mascara. Now for mascara, I'm going to show you this Alice and Olivia. You can see it's from Maybelline. Yeah, I guess you can see this. Yeah, so it's Maybelline, and you are getting a 9.2 ml of product for just rupees 475. Yeah, it's under 500. So I will recommend this mascara because I'm using it. So it has got a wand, a tilted wand like this. You can see there's a tilted wand like this, and also it's a waterproof mascara. And if you're looking for some other mascaras, there are other good mascaras. If you don't want to go for a waterproof mascara, there are other very good mascaras under 500 in Maybelline. So please go and try that if you do not want to try a waterproof mascara. But if you guys are looking for a waterproof mascara, like if you're going on a pool or something, you're sweating, so you can definitely go for this mascara. This is a very nice mascara under 500. So now comes the kajal. Now recently I am using this Wet n Wild kajal pencil, kohl kajal eyeliner, I guess you can see this. Yeah, so this is a brown kajal that I have, which is like not under 500, but it is under 200. It's for only 135 rupees, and you're getting this long strip. I think this will I'm not going to finish this even after a year, I guess. So yeah, this is too big. So since I do not use kajal much, but today I'm wearing this kajal itself on my eyes. You can see that. This is a very nice kajal. It's very pigmented. I'll just show you the color payoff. So this is how it looks. It is very, in fact, when I was ordering it, I did not think that the color payoff will be that good, but believe me, it is so good. And you can also, if you're getting this much of quantity and only 135 rupees, please just go and grab it. Now comes the face part again, which is the blush. And for blush, I will recommend this Fit Me Maybelline blush. So it is, you are getting a 4.5 gram of product for rupees 425. So these blushes are the Maybelline Fit Me blushes are very nice, you can see. So it has also got very nice pigment. So I'm wearing it right now, you can see. So it's very nice. If you're looking for a blush under budget, then you can definitely go for this. Now comes everyone's favorite part, which is the highlighter. And for highlighter, I'm going to recommend you this Lakme Face Sheer. See this? I guess it's visible. Yeah. So this is the this is how it looks. So if you like press it, so this is the color payoff which you are getting. I guess it is visible. So this is the color payoff which you are getting. So it's a very nice sheer. If you are looking for a budget friendly highlighter, please pick this one. You can work well with this. You can also apply it directly over your face, or you can also take a brush or use it. So it is very pocket friendly also. It is just for rupees 400, so highly recommend it. Now we'll move on to the last products which I have and which I'm going to show you in this video is the lipsticks. So I have this few lipsticks. I do not have much lipsticks under 500, but yeah, the one which I have I'm going to show you. So this is the first lipstick from Ellie 18, and I also have a review for this. so you can just check the description box underneath. So this is just for rupees 75, guys. So please invest in this because this is very nice, very creamy. It is not matte, it is not fully matte, but yeah, it is good. It stays on your lips because I'm wearing this right now. And also this Nykaa mini mattes. So this comes for, I guess, 265 or 250, something like this. I'll mention in the description box below. So this is in the shade Beachy Peachy. I also have a review of these lipsticks on my channel. I'll mention the link in the description box. So this is the color. So I'm just wearing it right now. You can see it on my lips. So it is very, I have mixed these two colors and I'm wearing this. So generally I do that. I mix all the colors and I wear it. So, and this is the Lakme, the Enriched Matte Lipstick. So this is a color. This is a very nice fuchsia pink color. So yeah, so this is the lipsticks which I recommend you under 500. Please go for the L18 one and the Nykaa one. It is very supremely creamy mattes. So it is not fully matte but creamy matte. So under 500, if you are getting these products, just pick it up. So yeah guys, those were all the products which I had to show you in this video, which is under 500. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I know that you will purchase few of these products because they are really good, because I'm using it on my skin, and believe me, it is not less than any high-end product. It is as good as that. So it's very nice. You can use it, you can give it a try. It is not that expensive. So definitely do try it, and please let me know how you like my video, and do not forget to like and subscribe and mention on the comments below. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe.